Meet the Moondrop grape, the fruit that looks out of this world. These grapes are long, dark purple and almost look like jelly beans from space. They're naturally seedless, super sweet, and have a satisfying crunch. Developed through careful crossbreeding, not genetic modification, Moondrop grapes are a hit for their unique shape and rich flavor. You won't believe they're real until you taste one. Love strange and tasty plant facts? Subscribe for more.